Hi,
Hi, Adam.
who is Michele Taras?
Michele Taras is somebody who loves to be creative and do my little bit to help make this world a better place.
When and what it was like to have your first fashion show?
Having my first fashion show was so super exciting. I've been doing fashion photography for years, so a lot of models are friends of mine. Watching them come down the runway in my designs with my painting scrolling in the background, very cool.
What is the best piece of advice you ever received?
The best piece of advice I've received is just be yourself. I find that when you're yourself, you're more likely to be happy, and it's also easier for you that way to help other people.
What inspired you?
What inspires me? I love looking at other people, other creatives, and seeing what they're doing because it makes me want to achieve more also.
What's your current favorite piece of clothing you have?
My leggings! It's one of my paintings printed on this, and they're super comfortable, super funky, and kind of unique. I like that.
How do you see ageism changing the fashion right now?
Well, the good thing with ageism in fashion now is people are much more receptive of different types of models, different ages, and when an older model comes down the runway, people are applauding and proud of them. I
Who
like
is your
that.
fashion icon?
I would say Iris Apfel. She marches to the beat of her own drum. That's kind of cool.
What one thing you learned the hard way?
Oh, gosh. I always thought when I have my kids, I'm going to be raising them this way. They're going to love to draw. And then I got hurricane number 1 and hurricane number 2. I had to modify my plans, let me tell you.
What opportunity would you like to have as a designer?
Well, I think I would like to show at Paris Fashion Week, New York Fashion Week, and have the ability to bring my own models because diversity to me is super important.
What exciting thing in Canadian fashion right now?
Well, I can talk to you about something little that I'm doing. I just started a Facebook group called Canadian Style and Fashion, and what I love about it is we're there to help Canadians see with the designers that are out there, so it's not so much competition as to supporting each other.
Such Canadian. Everybody
Yes.
uplift everybody else.
Very true, very true.
So we're going to the word association.
Okay, wish me luck.
Legging,
Comfortable.
colors,
Fun.
movement,
Sexy.
lipstick,
Lipstick. Sometimes I wear it, sometimes I don't.
beauty.
Beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
Thank you, Michelle.
Thank you, Adam.
Ciao.
Ciao.